Hello, sweet friends and crafters. Welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. For today's project, I am sharing with you a project that I did for Scrapdiva Designs with the September 1st, 2024 release. I will have links to these in the description box below to make it easy for you to shop should you decide to purchase any of them. They are affiliate links. When you use them, they help my channel. And I just want to say thank you so very much for doing that. You can also use Carol 10 at checkout. So the first one that I used is this one here from Scrapdiva Designs, and it is called the Go Stamp and Die Set. And I have to tell you, I haven't used a stamp set in a long time, and I had so much fun coloring this. So these little ghosts right here, I have one in the back that I did extra. So this is this right here, and this measures 2 1/4 inches by 1 7/8 inch wide, and it is super cute. I use Copic markers to color these little stamp sets, and so you get a boy and a girl, and you get the dies to cut everything out that you see here. So the little ghosts are, looks like 1 5/8, 1 3/8 inch high by 1 1/8 inch wide. So you get like a mom and dad, boy and girl, and then you get I bet you don't know, spooky wishes, I love you, I think you're amazing, boo, happy Halloween, you're fabulous. Then you get a little bat and a little spider web and a bat. So you get all this, plus every single stamp has a die, as you can see here on the back. Okay, so I use that. And there's my little extra guy. I was practicing doing Copic markers because I haven't done it for a while. I also use this, which is the Spider Bow number 2. I love this bow. I think it's really cute. And I had shown you that before. And I also used one of my witch broom shakers to decorate one of my projects. So before I pull my project into view, let me just say, if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? I'd love to have you back. And for all my returning friends and subscribers, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support and comments. So with the stamps, I decided to make a couple Halloween cards, and I think this is so cute. There is the boy and the girl, and I just used some dies from my stash to layer them, and I did put foam on the back to pop these up. And I did several layers. I've got some of this stuff that you can get at right here from the Dollar Tree. I put a little bit behind it to give it some movement and make it sparkle. And you could see that the Happy Halloween, there is a die to cut that out. So I stamped that. And then we're going to open this up. It says Happy Halloween. And this goes so well with the ghosts, this paper that I used. And here is a sentiment also from the stamp set. It says, I love you. So happy Halloween, I love you. And then I put the 2 little ghosts right there to decorate where you put your sentiment. I thought this came out really cute. And I also did cover the back of it. So super cute. And then I did this one here with the bat. Didn't he come out really cute? I love how flashy this card is. So here is the bow, the Spider Bow number 2. And I just attached it to the top of the die cut from my stash. And these flowers come from Hobby Lobby. And I just used some dies from my stash to layer up the card. And then I had this spiderweb Martha Stewart punch that I did. And here is the broom shaker that I decided to embellish the card with. And of course you get this sentiment, I bet you don't know. And then when you open this up, it says, I think you're amazing. And you do get that in the stamp set as well. And here is another bat that I did. And then on the back, I did cover the back as well with the same paper. And it came out so cute. And I have not done cards in a long time, so I had fun doing these with that stamp set. So that is my project today. These cards are 5.5 by 5.5, by the way. And just in case you're wondering, and they're layered up. So, like I said, this is my project for today. Let me go ahead and measure the bat for you, because I didn't measure the bat. So the bat is 1 and, let's see, looks like 1 3/4 by 2 inches wide. So good size, you know, good size to put on a card, and it shows up good. All right. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it so very much. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below, and I will get back to you as quickly as possible. Remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And until the next video, happy crafting. Bye-bye.